Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So chessmarc. Playing quite quickly, isn't he? Alright. Play bishop g5, plays f6. Discouraging. Maybe e5, but not e4. Can I just play knight d6? That dark square bishop is surely of value here with bishop g5 on the cards. Surely. Now I'm probably smiling because I think I'm slightly better actually. I think I'm giving more signals than usual with this webcam. Yeah, I think I'm slightly better. Yep. I think I'm slightly better. It could be being overly optimistic. But I think I'm slightly better. Okay. King can't castle. So rook e1, rook d1. And this is castling queenside. I can't imagine that. I could discourage that if he's going to castle queenside. I don't think he's got queen b4, just queen c2. Okay. Okay. Does seem. Oh, knight f3 rook g8. Am I running into something really horrible? Yeah, I am. I have to blunt knight f3 rook g8. That's like crushing. All right, f3 might be a good safety point at this point. Yeah, before I just get massacred. Oh crikey, with knight f3 and rook g8. Oh crikey. This is casually like got this vicious tactic. It's the G file. Jeez, I should stop smiling and try and think about the resources. I keep saying this, the resources in the position are crucial. Crikey, I am on the defensive now. Not so funny. Oh man, I'm under great pressure. Can I get rid of this knight? More serious pace now. I gotta get rid of this knight and go for d7. Right, he's off f3 a bit of respite, eh? Queen c3. Put some pressure on d7. He just plays knight b6. What's the point? I'll do it anyway. Maybe queen b3. Knight f4, queen b7. B3 does knight B6. Queen D4, there's no E5 just yet. I don't know where this queen's going actually. Doesn't seem to have too many great squares. I think B3 next. It's funny. I don't know if it's because of the coordination I've got. I know I was nearly like wiped out earlier, just not taking this game seriously, and yeah, it's not funny. Oh, there's rook a4. Actually, there is actually rook a4 to consider. So what about b3 to try and stop getting obliterated with rook c4? Knight g3's now another thing to worry about. Will I get a chance to play rook fe1 and rook d5? That might be like the first threat of the game. Just to sort of play rook takes d5. He's got a really nice position, really. This G file, it's got active pieces. I hate to say it, I hate to think about it too much, but black has got a great position. No, it's true. Gotta deny it, but it's getting tougher on the ICC recently. What can I say? I've crashed below 2300. I've crashed below 2200. You can blame the webcam or just the recent marathon. I've got a few things to blame actually. I think I'm being slightly exhausted. Pardon me. Okay. I'm choking on. Actually, I had some nuts earlier. I think I'm choking on the nuts. Fragments. Okay. This bishop's really not doing anything there. I mean, it's only got 4 seconds. I've not had any chance to basically attack him. I mean, seriously, I don't know what I'm doing here with any of the pieces. Can I play rook c2 or it goes into takes and knight e3? No, there's no knight e3. Right, maybe rook c2. As long as there's no bishop f3. Can't stop that. Okay. Is he winning here with knight g3? That's a choke now. I don't think I was better at any point.
Check.
Yeah, I think I just lose, don't I? All right, isn't this winning as well?
Check.
Oh, king f1. But apparently rook g8. No, that is better. That is pretty bad.
Check.
This is rook g8. Yeah, he's just threatening rook g8. So I'm having to play defensively against an 1864. Wonderful. Interesting. I don't know if it thinks this is the way to go, the exchange attack. Maybe it is. And oh, here, definitely. Oh yeah, for the knight. Oh, I missed that. Oh well, it took too long though. It took too long. Okay, comments, questions, likes, appreciated. Okay, thanks so much.